Here we are at Pretty House, a residential house that is being constructed and was designed by the Design Studio in partnership with ENV Limited. And we would like to talk about some of the points about its design and construction in general, since it's still in progress. Architecture can create a moment of surprise where at the first sight you see everything is normal, but by the moment you enter some spaces you can be impressed. Pretty House has helped us to achieve this moment of surprise, because at the entrance we have a normal elevation that is simple. The door that you enter from is simple as well, but by the time you enter, this is where design has allowed us to impress you by the spaces we exhibit, the triple height living room, the view you see, and the light that you receive. Rwanda, also known as a country of 1,000 hills, it's hilly, and every topography in Kigali has slopes. This was one of the challenges that we had. However, it's responsibilities of us as architects to provide solutions, and where we get one of these solutions is from history or other architects. There is a round plan concept which was first done by an architect called Adolf Loos in Czech Republic, in a house that is called Villa Mula. This is the concept that we adapted into this design by also dealing with the topography. This concept gives an opportunity of having spaces with different height, with different levels under the same ceiling. The roof doesn't have always to be a konoshi or a multi-pitched roof. For architects, a roof is an opportunity to conclude the composition. Pretty House took an opportunity of this conclusion and roofed the house by a concrete roof that starts on a normal height and it's slanted towards the top, where we have an opportunity of having another added level which contains a self-contained bedroom, and it gives an opportunity of a second living space to have a double height. Nature can be a material itself. During the day, it's better that we use the light and the air to give comfort. Pretty House took an opportunity of these natural materials, and it allowed us to do what at some point is believed to be impossible. For example, having a bathroom in the middle of the spaces which has no external walls is something that is not commonly done. However, this play of light allowed us to do it, where we have clear stories or the skylights that brings this light and air into the bathroom, and while into it you have this shower of light that comes from the top. Pretty House gave us an opportunity to explore the finishing and explore the market between what we find here locally and what we can import. We imported all the finishing materials from China, including the aluminum doors and windows, the floor tiles, the glass rails, the lamps, and many more others. So we got also an opportunity to understand that you can get the best quality compared to what we have locally within the same price range if you import it yourself. And this technology from China allowed us to use our custom design because they can make any shape. Architecture is wide and it's art and science. The art part of architecture is what means beauty, and we believe a house is a reflection of the character of the owner, the way it settles into its land, its plot, its topography, and we believe a house should be a piece of art. So this is just the progress in the construction site. We believe we're going to explore more about the art part of this house once it's finished.